Welcome back, tech enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the world of ultimate gaming smartphones with a review of the ASUS ROG Phone 8 Pro. If you're looking for a powerhouse device that blends sleek design, unmatched performance, and next-gen features, stick around. First up, let's talk design. The ROG Phone 8 Pro combines a sleek and minimalistic look with the unique anime vision. With 341 customizable mini LEDs, you can showcase your style like never before. Whether you're a gamer or just love personalization, this feature is a game changer. Now, let's get into the performance. The ROG Phone 8 Pro is powered by the latest 3.3 GHz Snapdragon 8 Generation 3 processor, paired with 16 GB of LPDDR5X RAM and 512 GB of UFS 4.0 storage. This means seamless multitasking, lightning-fast speeds, and an overall smooth experience, whether you're gaming or juggling multiple apps. Despite its powerful internals, the ROG Phone 8 Pro is incredibly portable. With an ultra-slim 0.35-inch profile and lightweight design, it's perfect for on-the-go use. Plus, it's IP68 certified, making it resistant to dust and water. For gamers, control is everything. The built-in air trigger controls on the ROG Phone 8 Pro elevate your gaming experience to a whole new level. With gestures like dual action, press and lift, and gyroscope aiming, you get console-like control right on your phone. And if you want even more precision, the AeroActive Cooler X or ROG Tesson mobile controller are available as accessories. ASUS has also packed in some incredible AI utilities. XSense 2.0 identifies crucial in-game events, while X-Capture automatically records your pivotal moments. These features streamline your gaming experience and ensure you never miss a highlight. Photography enthusiasts, rejoice! The ROG Phone 8 Pro boasts a professional tri-camera system. Capture ultra-wide shots, zoom in on distant objects, or record super-steady videos with the 6-axis hybrid gimbal stabilizer. With a 50-megapixel main camera, 13-megapixel ultra-wide, and 32-megapixel selfie camera, your photos and videos will look stunning. To keep things cool during intense gaming sessions, the ROG Phone 8 Pro features an advanced thermal design. The 360-degree SoC cooling system Generation 2 improves thermal efficiency by 22%. And with the AeroActive Cooler X, you get an additional 20% boost. Immerse yourself in the action with the 6.78-inch AMOLED display. With a 165 Hz refresh rate and 2500 nits peak brightness, gaming and media playback are incredibly smooth and vibrant, even in direct sunlight. Plus, Gorilla Glass Victus 2 ensures your screen stays protected. Battery anxiety? Not with the ROG Phone 8 Pro. The massive 5500 mAh battery supports 65-watt hypercharge, giving you a full charge in just 39 minutes. And with up to 2 days of uninterrupted gaming, plus 15-watt wireless charging, you're always ready to go. The ASUS ROG Phone 8 Pro is the ultimate gaming smartphone, combining sleek design, unmatched performance, and cutting-edge features. Whether you're a hardcore gamer or just want a top-tier device, this phone has got you covered. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech reviews.